I have here my e-bike going for a ride. Got a mirror on it. Should have brought the Allen key to make it just a tad tighter. We got over here a GoTrax as well, an e-bike. I just happened to see it here when I came upon it, and another bike as well. Well, I am going to go out, go get some shots with the X5, and I have a DJI mic too, but it's not the audio that I'm using for it. I'm going to be having the Insta360 Mic Air coming in a little while and see what it sounds like. And it'll be dedicated to the Insta360 cameras, while the DJI mic will be dedicated to the DJI cameras. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get going. I am at the William Fitz Ryan Center, and this is a control tower. As you see on top, it is the first airport of the Big Apple. Did you know that? Amelia Earhart came here. She flew in, and many other people. In this area of where the terminal's at, you walked underneath the tar pin and up and out to get to the planes. There is excellent history on this that you can look up and see for yourself. So let's go ride around and get on in the area. So as we're riding around here, you can see the hangars, and there is a hangar all the way in the back that you can go in and volunteer your time in building aircrafts for the Navy. Some of these aircraft hangars will supply helicopters. Maybe we could get a little sneak between the openings. As you can see inside, what's in there? I can't see until I look for myself. Isn't that amazing what you can see in 360 in the hangar? You saw boats, kayaks in the first one, and this one kind of empty. Well, I'm gonna go down to the hangar and see if I could get my camera looking up and in at the aircrafts. I got some more over there, but those are the ice skating rinks. I am going all the way over there. Well, you don't see anything that you could get underneath and out. It's got to be one of these things over here. Well, it's no more, but that is the control tower behind me, as you can see. Floyd Bennett Field was intended to be New York City's main facility for airline passengers. The administration building served for the new flying public with ticket counters, customers, and telegraph offices with a restaurant. The upper floor has sleeping quarters for pilots. Will come another day. I missed the day. They're not open today. But they'll be open every other day that I could come back down and maybe look through the windows. But can't win them all, right? But we'll go in the distance, go watch the planes fly, then get on out. Well, we made it down, but not to where I wanted to be, but we'll watch the planes fly. There we are. We're looking at a green jet and got it on 360. Let's see if he's going to do a flyby again. Here he goes. We got the landing gear down. It's going to set up for a land. There he comes. There he goes. Coming in for the landing. Oh man, what a beautiful touchdown. Well, it's nice and quiet, and that's the way it is. I'm not hooking up a speaker, and just sit back and enjoy. Let's get on out of here. Watch out for that